Each man thinks about the male drive or male sexual craving to be something critical. Male sexual craving changes starting with one individual then onto the next, and much of the time it changes in a single individual as indicated by the conditions. A man's psychological prosperity relies straightforwardly upon his sexual charisma. At the point when a man is experiencing issues with sexual drive, he feels discouraged and scared of dismissal. A man quantifies his manliness by his charisma. Today is seen that numerous individuals are experiencing low male charisma. The low male drive can have various reasons, both passionate and physical. A portion of the enthusiastic reasons that bring about low male moxie incorporate melancholy, absence of confidence, or weariness. While the actual reasons which bring about the lessening of male drive incorporate actual pressure, maturing, testosterone levels diminish at about 2% consistently after age 30, and excessive utilization of specific medications, for example, certain doctor-prescribed drugs and liquor. Low male moxie can likewise be caused because of constant sicknesses, for example, cardiovascular illness, diabetes, neurological infection, or any difficulties that influence the bloodstream to the penis. A portion of the normal enhancements, which help to expand intensity and moxie, incorporate nutrient E, zinc, nutrient C, arginine, nutrient E, zinc, nutrient A, nutrient C, flaxseed oil, octocosanol, beta-carotene, nutrient B6, and nutrient B complex. Every one of these supplements is essential to help the sperm check, improve sperm motility, upgrade prostate organ work, increment male hormone creation by the body, or make a more beneficial sensory system. Nowadays numerous organizations are offering items that are intended to build male charisma. Notwithstanding, huge numbers of these charisma enhancers have almost no logical adequacy and are of inadequate quality. Consequently, it is strongly prescribed to pick a male charisma enhancer planned by a researcher with immaculate certifications. Numerous individuals likewise accept testosterone treatment as a treatment for diminished moxie. Testosterone treatment assists with improving testosterone levels and re-establish one's sex drive.